Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest planet in the Solar System in terms of size and mass. Its single most outstanding feature is that its near-surface environments are the only places in the universe known to harbor life. 29.2% of Earth's surface is land, consisting of continents and islands. The remaining 70.8% is covered with water, mostly by oceans, seas, gulfs, and other saltwater bodies, but also by lakes, rivers, and other freshwater, which together constitute the hydrosphere. Our amazing planet has been around for quite some time. Earth is estimated to be 4.54 billion years old, plus or minus about 50 million years. The age of rocks is determined by radiometric dating. Scientists have scoured the Earth searching for the oldest rocks for radiometric dating. In northwestern Canada, they discovered rocks about 4.03 billion years old. The atmosphere can be divided into layers based on its temperature. These layers are the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere and the thermosphere. A further region, beginning about 800 kilometers above the Earth's surface, is called the exosphere. The thermosphere extends from 80 kilometers to 700 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The mesosphere, which lies below it, extends from 50 kilometers to 80 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Next lies the stratosphere, which lies below the mesosphere. It extends from 12 kilometers to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. At the bottom lies the troposphere, which extends from 0 kilometers to 12 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Earth is not a perfect sphere. As Earth spins, gravity points toward the center of our planet and a centrifugal force pushes outward. But since this gravity-opposing force acts perpendicular to the axis of Earth, and Earth's axis is tilted, centrifugal force at the equator is not exactly opposed to gravity. This imbalance adds up at the equator, where gravity pushes extra masses of water and Earth into a bulge.
If Earth were a perfect sphere, its gravitational field would be the same everywhere. But in reality, the planet's surface is bumpy, and water flow, ice drift and the movement of the tectonic plates beneath Earth's crust all change the pull of gravity. These variations are known as gravity anomalies. A mountain range causes a positive gravity anomaly. Gravity is stronger there than it would be on a featureless, perfectly smooth planet. Conversely, the presence of ocean trenches, or dips in the land leads to negative gravity anomalies.
Because of the presence of inner nickel-iron core, Earth has a strong magnetic field. This magnetic field is also responsible for preventing heavy solar wind from blowing on the Earth and causing damage to various life forms. The magnetic field is generated by electric currents due to the motion of convection currents of a mixture of molten iron and nickel in the Earth's outer core. These convection currents are caused by heat escaping from the core, a natural process called a geodynamo. Earth is composed of 4 distinct layers. They are, from deepest to shallowest, the inner core, the outer core, the mantle and the crust. Except for the crust, no one has ever explored these layers in person. In fact, the deepest humans have ever drilled is just over 12 kilometers, 7.6 miles. And even that took 20 years. Water is the only substance on Earth that is present in all 3 states of matter, as a solid, liquid or gas. And Earth is the only planet where water is abundantly present in all 3 states. Because of the ranges in temperature in specific locations around the planet, all 3 phases may be present in a single location or in a region. The 3 phases are solid, ice or snow, liquid, water, and gas, water vapor. As of the year 2000, The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration estimated that as much as 95% of the world's oceans and 99% of the ocean floor are unexplored. Exploring these regions deep below the ocean surface is difficult, time-consuming and expensive. The length of Earth's day is increasing. When Earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago, its day would have been roughly 6 hours long. By 620 million years ago, this had increased to 21.9 hours. Today, the average day is 24 hours long, but is increasing by about 1.7 milliseconds every century. Can you guess the reason? The Moon is slowing down Earth's rotation through the tides that it helps create. Earth's spin causes the position of its tidal ocean bulges to be pulled slightly ahead of the Moon-Earth axis, which creates a twisting force that slows down Earth's rotation. As a result, our day is getting longer. As you're probably aware, Earth has one moon. But did you know there are 2 additional asteroids locked into a co-orbital orbits with Earth? They're called 3753 Cruithne and 2002 AA29. Although the Moon is Earth's only natural satellite, there are a number of near-Earth objects, NEOs, with orbits that are in resonance with Earth. These have been called second moons of Earth.